Hi everyone, this is Mr. Siu from Math Accelerator. Welcome to lesson 3. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I solve a P5 problem sum using a strategy called completing the unit. The completing the unit strategy is associated with model drawing. It's a visual approach used to solve word problems where two quantities change differently but end up being equal or having a known relationship. It's particularly powerful for solving before and after scenarios where you want to transform your model into equal comparable units. Let's go to the question and I'll explain more to you. Let me read this question to you. Anika and Krishna had a total of $322 at first. After Anika received $74 from her mother and Krishna spent half of his money, they had the same amount of money left. How much money did Anika have at first? The first thing, let's underline some of the keywords in this question. The total amount for the two person is $322. Anika received $74 from the mother and Krishna spent half of his money. And they end up having the same amount of money. And we need to find how much does Anika have at first. So now that we highlighted the keywords, okay, we will approach this question from the back first because we were told that in the end they have the same amount of money. So we will draw two equal bar model to represent Anika and Krishna, the amount they have in the end. Then we work backwards to find their original amount. So if Krishna spent half his money, which is 1 unit over here, if he spent half his money, therefore he will have the other half left. So we know that the amount he spent and the amount he has left is the same amount. So we'll draw an equal unit over here. So we have what was left by Krishna and what was spent. They are equal in proportion. Next, Anika received $74 from her mother. So to get back the original amount for Anika, we need to take away $74. So let's draw a dotted line and write minus 74. So this component here, the shaded part, belongs to Anika at first. Now we know that the total between the two of them is $322. Now, in order to solve this question, we need to convert Anika amount at first into a complete unit, right? Because Krishna has 2 units. And so in order to solve this, we need to convert Anika into a full unit. And we do that by adding 74 to her original amount. So in other words, we also need to expand the total. So now the new total, instead of 322, we also have to increase it by 74. And this will give us $396. So now that we have converted Anika into a full unit, then we can see that we have 1, 2, 3. And these 3 units is equals to the new total of $396. So you can put here 3 units is equals to $396. So next, we're going to find the value of 1 unit. We'll be taking 396 divided by 3, and we will arrive at $132. So over here, this single unit is equals to $132. We need to find out how much money did Anika have at first, okay, which is this shaded portion, right? So to find Anika at first, we will take the full unit, okay, subtract away 74. So we take 132 minus 74, and we will arrive at $58. And that's how we use the completing the unit approach to solve this question. Is your child finding math challenging, especially when it comes to model drawing? If you want them to master proven techniques for solving problem sums with confidence and precision, as shown earlier, we're here to help. Drop us a message in the comments or simply click on the button to get started. Do like and share this video to help us reach more parents and students who may benefit from this content. See you in the next video.